In this video,
we will learn how to get destroyed car back in GTA 5. In GTA 5, in order to get your destroyed car back, it is extremely simple, and all you need to do is, if you are not able to find your car anywhere or the personal vehicle icon is not showing above your map, then all you need to do is open up your mobile phone. From here you need to head to the contacts tab, then scroll down until you find the Morse Mutual Insurance phone number that is saved on your mobile phone. Just left click on it, and if your car is destroyed, an option will pop up which will let you get back your vehicle by paying a certain amount of fee, and after paying the fee your vehicle will be brought back to you if it is destroyed, and you can then again enjoy your vehicle in Grand Theft Auto 5. So this is how you can easily get back your destroyed car in GTA Online and enjoy the game as you please. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.